Are you tired of sifting through outdated and incorrect comments in your code? Do you wish you could just write clean, self-explanatory code that speaks for itself? In this video, we'll explain why writing obsolete comments is a code smell and how you can avoid this common pitfall by following the principles of clean code. By the end of this video, you'll understand why writing clean code is not only best practice, but also crucial for maintaining a healthy and maintainable code base. So if you're ready to improve your coding skills and understanding of clean code, grab your favorite beverage and join us as we dive into the world of clean code. Obsolete comments, also known as dead code, are comments in a program that are no longer relevant or accurate. These types of comments can be confusing and misleading for developers, as they may not accurately reflect the current state of the code. It is important to regularly review comments in your code and remove any that are no longer relevant. Allowing obsolete comments to remain in the code can create confusion and may even lead to errors. Rather than updating obsolete comments, it is generally better to avoid writing them in the first place. By avoiding writing comments that may become obsolete, you can ensure that your code is easy to understand and maintain. If you do need to include a comment in your code, be sure to review it regularly to ensure that it remains accurate and relevant. Here is an example of a bad code snippet that includes an obsolete comment in a function in C#. In this example, the comment retrieve value from database is obsolete because the function is actually updating a value in the database, not retrieving it. This comment can be confusing for developers reading the code, as it does not accurately reflect what the function is doing. Here is an example of how to rewrite the code to avoid the need for an obsolete comment and follow the principles of clean code. In this revised version of the code, the function updates the value in the database in a single line of code. There is no need for a comment, as the function name and code are clear and easy to understand on their own. By writing clean and concise code, you can avoid the need for comments and follow the principles of clean code. Now let's get to the takeaways. Here's what you should remember from the last module and apply in practice to write better code. Obsolete comments, or dead code, are comments in a program that are no longer relevant or accurate. It is important to regularly review and remove obsolete comments to avoid confusion and potential errors. Instead of updating obsolete comments, it is generally better to avoid writing them in the first place. To ensure that your code is easy to understand and maintain, avoid writing comments that may become obsolete and review any necessary comments regularly to ensure their accuracy and relevance. Always try to write clean, self-explanatory code that speaks for itself.